Okay, so now I'm going to do SO2. So first I have to calculate total valence electrons. I only have one S. I know that because there's no subscript, so 1. I know that S sulfur is in group 16, so it's going to have 6 valence electrons. 1 times 6 is 6 valence electrons. All right, oxygen, subscript of 2, so I have 2. It's also in group 16, so it's going to have 6 valence electrons. 2 times 6 is 12 valence electrons. 12 plus 6 is 18, so I must use 18. No more, no less. Next, I'm going to draw my skeleton structure. I'm going to put S in the middle, because I only have one of them. And again, I have to use 18 total valence electrons. So first, I'm going to draw 6 around my outside atom. All right. Any extra, I'm going to put in my central atom. Let's see, how many have I used so far? Remember, each one of these lines is a bond, shared electrons. This line represents 2. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I need to use 18. So leftovers, I'll put in my center atom. Okay. Now, if my center atom satisfies the octet rule, I'm done. 2, 4, 6. The octet rule is not satisfied, so I must take, doesn't matter which ones, I must take 2, erase them, and turn it into a double bond. So which one should I take? I'm going to take these ones for no other reason than those ones where I drew them ugly. So I'm going to turn this into a double bond. Great. Now I'm going to check my center atom again. 2, 4, 6, 8. Great. My center atom satisfies the octet rule. I want to make sure all of these satisfy the octet rule and that it adds up to 18. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Check. Octet rule satisfied for oxygen. 2, 4, 6, 8. Octet rule satisfied for sulfur. 2, 4, 6, 8. Octet rule satisfied for the other oxygen. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Perfect. I'm done.